Hello, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. This is Basha in Bay City, Michigan, and I would like to show you how I arrange fake plastic flowers for the spring and summer inside planters. Now, the first thing you have to do is make sure you find a planter that's going to house enough flowers for you and styrofoam. I heat up my hot knife and then I poke holes on the bottom of the planters. These planters I'm using are plastic and I painted them myself. That way, when it rains, the water will just go right through the planter. That is the first tip. You don't want your planters out in the rain and getting soaked. So after I poke 3 holes in each of the planters, I use Dollar Tree styrofoam floral styrofoam, that's smaller sizes and larger sizes. And what I do, and here's the secret, I wrap them with aluminum foil. That way when it rains, they don't get soaked. I carefully select the size styrofoam that will fit securely and snugly inside the planter, just like this. And if I need more, I use a little bit of hot glue to attach another wrapped piece of styrofoam. Now I carefully select the florals that I want to use this spring and I pre-cut them. Once I select the flowers that I will be using, I poke them into the styrofoam. The fewer the holes, the better. So I make sure this is where I want them before I poke them in. Next, I'm using deck lights, and I will adhere them with PowerTac. PowerTac is made by Beacon, and it's outdoor-friendly glue. It is very strong, but you have to use weight and apply to the objects you want to adhere to. Here I'm allowing it to adhere for about an hour. Now they're ready to go outside and hang. But let me show you. Once they get enough sun during the day, they should have a nice little spotlight in the evening. Now, isn't that cute? This is an idea for you. I thought I'd share it. And here I am going out to my garage. And there it is. Then I go over to my fence. And I screw on, and there's another one. I'll come out at night, and let's see what it looks like in the evening. But I thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Find my 500 DIY videos, and hopefully I can give you ideas on how you can come up with your own garden outdoor ideas. And use fake flowers. They last all season, and you don't have to water them. Well, stay tuned. I have more to come. Find me on TikTok as well at Legacy's Little Luxuries. This is Basha in Bay City, Michigan. Bless.